Nowhere more so than right here in the UK. Standing here as a British Pakistani, I take pride in the fact that we are woven deeply into the very fabric of the UK, enriching all aspects of life in the UK. From our politicians and community leaders, doctors and first responders to the benefactors that invest back into the development of their communities, both here and back in Pakistan. Our deeply woven ties are reflect trade and investment relationships, and not only in clothing and textiles imports, though these are worth well over 1 billion. The latest figures available show bilateral trade between two countries is 4.4 billion, making the UK-Pakistan largest European trade partner. Bestway Group brands are everywhere across both countries. And last year, Sapphire opened its first UK store in Bradford, bringing Pakistani style to the UK high streets. Yet there is still more work to do. Economic growth in the UK government's central mission. With Pakistan, this means capitalizing on the opportunities that exist in high potential sectors and together addressing any blockers preventing them from being realized. As a trade envoy, I'm keen to ensure we fully tap the potential that exists, particularly in growth sectors like professional businesses, services and technology. I look forward to working with you all to achieve this. Many of us across the UK and Pakistan have come together in our communities throughout Ramadan to break our fast and share in iftars. The alignment of Eid, this evening's National Day, provides a moment of reflection. A moment to reflect not just on the sacrifices that has been made to create Pakistan we have here today, but of the deep ties Pakistan has with friends across the world. And in the same year that the Commonwealth celebrates its 76th anniversary, the UK and Pakistan work in collaboration with each other alongside our other Commonwealth nations to help create a better world for the generations to come. We remember the principles in which great Qaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah conceived Pakistan. Unity, faith, and discipline should be the guiding principles of our nation. Thank you, Eid Mubarak, and happy National Day.
Our National Day. Pakistan Day marks a defining chapter in our national history, a celebration of the vision, the perseverance and sacrifices that led to the creation of our beloved country. 85 years ago, our founding fathers came together to adopt the historic Lahore Resolution that laid the foundation of a sovereign state. It was more than a political declaration. It was an articulation of a collective aspiration, one rooted in dignity, freedom, and self-determination. That founding vision continues to inspire our actions towards building a more just, inclusive, and forward-looking future for our nation. Excellencies, over the last many decades, Pakistan has demonstrated remarkable resilience and progress. Despite formidable challenges, our country remains steadfast, driven by its people, powered by its youth, and guided by its democratic aspirations. Today's Pakistan is a nation of vibrant culture, youthful energy, and untapped potential. Home to the fifth largest population in the world, with over 60% under the age of 30, our youth represents talent, resilience, and the future. Our economy is showing clear signs of stabilization and growth, with inflation declining, investor confidence improving, and macroeconomic indicators turning positive. This recovery is acknowledged by international institutions and ratings agencies. With a reform-focused outlook, Pakistan is moving towards a sustainable economic revival. Strategically located at the heart of Asia, Pakistan offers vast potential in renewable logistics, agriculture, digital finance, infrastructure, blue economy, and regional connectivity. With our special economic zones, abundant natural resources, and an increasingly skilled workforce, Pakistan is open to investments, trade, and collaboration. Ladies and gentlemen, our greatest strength abroad is our diaspora, especially here in United Kingdom. Your contributions across public services, politics, businesses, healthcare, education, and the arts reflect the very best of Pakistan. You serve as a living bridge between our two nations. On this National Day, we honor your achievements and thank you for the role that you play in advancing our shared interests and values. Distinguished guests, the relationship between Pakistan and the United Kingdom is historic, enduring, and multidimensional. It encompasses a broad spectrum of cooperation from trade and investment to climate action, education, defense collaboration, and cultural exchanges. Over the years, this partnership has continued to grow in depth and substance. We remain firmly committed to further strengthening this relationship through an enhanced strategic partnership. Our shared history must be matched by a shared future, one shaped by cooperation, mutual respect, and common purpose. We also cherish Pakistan's role in the Commonwealth of Nations, and I am grateful to the Secretary General who is honoring us with her presence later this evening. As an active Commonwealth member, Pakistan continues to engage on issues of youth empowerment, sustainable development, education, and democratic governance. These values are integral to our domestic priorities and global partnerships. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan aspires to cultivate strong bilateral relations with all countries, including our neighbors, based on mutual respect, peaceful coexistence, and shared interests. We remain committed to promoting regional and global stability through constructive dialogue, economic cooperation, and vibrant people-to-people exchanges. On this occasion, we also recognize the unparalleled sacrifices of Kashmiri people in their just and peaceful struggle for realizing the right to self-determination. For over 7 decades, the people of Jammu and Kashmir have endured occupation, repression, and the denial of their fundamental rights. We reaffirm our unwavering moral, political, and diplomatic support to the Jammu and Kashmir cause and call upon the international community to uphold its responsibilities and ensure a free and fair plebiscite in Jammu and Kashmir as per the UN Security Council resolutions to determine the wishes of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is a strong advocate of multilateralism and a rules-based international order. We actively contribute to UN peacekeeping and remain engaged on global priorities, including climate change, counter-terrorism, and inclusive development. In this spirit, in the presence of the IMO Secretary General, I am pleased to announce Pakistan's candidacy for the International Maritime Organization Council elections Category C in the term 2026-27, elections to be held later this year. As a maritime nation with a dynamic coastline, a growing port economy, and strategic connectivity, especially through Gwadar, Pakistan is ready to contribute meaningfully to the global maritime governance, safety, and sustainability. We look forward to the support of member countries and express appreciation to Secretary General IMO for joining us today. Thank you very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, as we mark this important occasion, let me express gratitude to our generous supporters for their continued backing and goodwill. I also thank the team at the High Commission for their dedication and professionalism in making this event a success. In conclusion, Pakistan is resilient, forward-looking, and globally engaged. We believe in diplomacy, partnership, and diplomacy, partnership, and shared prosperity. To all our friends here tonight, Pakistan stands ready to engage with you as a partner in peace, in progress, and in the pursuit of a better future for all. I thank you all for joining us tonight. Long live Pakistan-UK friendship. Pakistan Zindabad. I thank you all again.
Ladies and gentlemen,